Well, congratulations for 9:13 in time. I saw really happy faces, by the way. Hello, everyone. My name is Manya Singh. Some of people know me as Miss India. कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि मैं रनर अप हूँ. But at some places जहाँ से मैं खुद को देख पाती हूँ, I feel I can see that girl who had a dream, who had a courage to pursue it, and she was fearless. लेट मी जस्ट टेल यू दैट मैं भी डरती हूँ आप लोग की तरह. कभी भी कहीं भी जाना हो ना तो मुझे भी डर लगता है, बट मैं थोड़ा कम डरती हूँ. दैट्स वाई आई कॉल माई सेल्फ फियरलेस, बिकॉज आई कैन फाइट विथ माई फियर. And this is something which I want to tell you everyone, that you have to learn fighting. You have to learn that how to fight your battle. You have to learn how to fight your fear. And that's the most important thing. I'm not here today to tell you that where I come from. You all know. Everybody has a story. Every one of you come from a small town. You have worked hard, you have cracked the exam, and you are here today. So you should be proud. I had the same journey. But there was a slight, we can say that thoda sa problem tha mere sath, that I chose to pass on my studies and shift to a different things where I wanted to do as pageantry, which I never heard of. When I came to Mumbai, I never knew what is Miss India, but I took some decisions which was really harsh. I came to Bombay and I decided that I want to educate myself. That was the whole goal. But when I came to Bombay, my father told me, if you are not doing something in your life, I am not going back. हमारे वहाँ कहते हैं नाक कटा दिया. That's when I chose, I saw randomly Miss India, somebody was getting crowned and I was like, wow, that's a good thing. आपके सर पे crown होगा पूरी दुनिया देखेगी. And I chose that dream for my parents because it was never a dream where I wanted to be a Miss India. And I started hustling for it. I started working hard for it. And one day, after 6 years, with a lot of failure, with a lot of determination, with a lot of, saying yes to everybody's no. हर कोई मुझे ना कहता था कि you can't do it. You are not for Miss India. Miss Indias are always like, a certain fit box आपको वो कुछ check करना पड़ता है तब आप Miss India बनते हो. And that's why I said, अगर ये ना बोल रहा है ना, that means I have to find my yes in those people's no. Here's a lesson for you. I'm not here to give you the checklist. I'm here to tell you the truth. आप सबको अगर कोई ना बोलता है, so you have to take that reversal yes, because you all can do it. And I took 6 years to reach Miss India stage. And yes, I didn't win the main crown. I was not Miss India World. But in the final round, in the final interview, they asked me that if you want to go Miss World, would you like to go the way you are? Will you speak Hindi? And I gave a very confident answer that yes, because I want to represent the place I come from. I want to represent the real India. I want to represent each and every girl, small town girl, who feels that she has to be perfect to achieve something. So here's your another point. You have to be imperfect. You have to be comfortable with your uncomfortable. That's a tricky one, right? आपको अपने आप पे comfortable होना पड़ेगा कि you are not perfect. And that's okay. I'm still not comfortable. I'm still not perfect. But I am confident. Wherever I go, I carry myself with confidence because I know कि मैं किसी भी room में enter करूँगी, I'll be the value for that room. And it's not overconfidence. There's a thin line which you have to maintain, right? And that's the beauty of it. One thing, I always feel I have always been ambitious. Credit goes to my mother. Because जब मैं छोटी थी तो मैंने हमेशा उनको देखा था कि वो कितनी ज़्यादा ambitious थी, कितनी ज़्यादा hard working थी. And guess what? She taught me to be ambitious. She taught me to be fearless. And she told me that whatever you want in your life, you have to work hard for it. मेरे पापा आर्मी ऑफिसर्स नहीं थे. यूजुअली आर्मी ऑफिसर ही गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसर यूजुअली ट्रांसफ़र होते हैं. लेकिन विथ माई फादर always had the financial crunch और मुझे हर साल स्कूल चेंज करना पड़ता था. And trust me guys, I don't have सर्टिफिकेट और रिजल्ट कहते हैं ना हर साल के. मेरे पास 9th के पहले के कोई सर्टिफिकेट्स नहीं है. सो आई डोंट इवन रिमेंबर कि मैंने अपने स्टैंडर्ड्स कंप्लीट किए हैं. I started taking myself serious when I realized that, you know what, you have to do it for yourself. You can't be dependent on your family. You can't be dependent on your friends. You can't be dependent on the society कि आपको वो पढ़ाएगी या आपको स्कॉलरशिप मिलेगी. ऐसा कुछ नहीं था मेरे पास. But one thing I had, that was faith. I started my education in Mumbai. I completed my graduation, and meanwhile I was working, and then I started preparing for Miss India. And I'm not saying that you guys can also, you should go for Miss India. No. This is the lesson for everything. You have to be the power of yourself. You have to be the pillar of your own dreams. And that's the most important thing. I am grateful today that wherever I am, I always have the courage to start from zero. You know, the zero is the most painful thing. When you reach here and you know that you have to start again from the zero. I have learned from my friends. I don't have a lot of friends. I have only one best friend, and she's there since 12 years. And I have another friend who's there since my childhood. And those two women have taught me to have a courage to start from zero. I've started my life from zero again. And you know what? After getting Miss India, after buying house in Bombay, after giving my parents a comfortable life, I started my education journey. Now I'm a student of MBA first year. I'm doing my MBA. You know why I started my education? There's a very important thing which I know. Education is the only thing which you can use to change your life. No matter how much money you have, no matter how famous you are, if you are not educated enough, you'll not be able to be the smartest person for yourself, not for the people. And that's when I thought that, you know what, I'm going to go and start my journey again. So I never had this thing, oh, I am a Miss India, I cannot start with studies. No. I started as a student. I attend my lectures regularly, 9 hours in college. After that, I hustle for my own dreams. So that's called courage. Be courageous enough. Be hungry, whatever you want in your life. आपकी भूख ही आपको आगे लेके जाएगी. You know, that's the most important thing. Do not get comfortable in your skin. Trust me guys, that's the most laziest thing. अगर आप कंफर्टेबल होते हो अपनी ही स्किन में, तो अगर आप लेजी होते, लेजी होना कितना कंफर्टेबल होता है, राइट? बट व्हेन यू स्टार्ट गोइंग टू जिम, व्हेन यू स्टार्ट लिफ्टिंग वेट्स, आपको खुद में पेन होता है, राइट? यू आर अनकंफर्टेबल एट दैट टाइम. सो आई फील व्हेन यू आर अनकंफर्टेबल, दैट्स व्हेन योर ग्रोथ स्टार्ट्स. एंड आई गेस दैट्स द मोस्ट सिंपलेस्ट वे. सो टुडे स्टैंडिंग हियर, I decided that I'm not going to tell you my journey, that you know, I come from a very small town, my father is an auto rickshaw driver, my mother have worked hard. We all have the same story. We all are inspiring. And I feel I have the same story. थोड़ी सी benefit मिल गई कि मैं मीडिया के सामने हूँ. But what I have learned from that life is be grounded. I always feel grounded. I always feel कि I am very ambitious no matter where I reach. I am fearless. I know if I fall today or tomorrow, I will bring myself up, because I know I am the writer of my own destiny. So be the writer of your own destiny. I am writing it today. I am telling you today. If you will take अपनी life की लगाम अपने हाथ में, so every no will be another yes, and you will keep fighting that battle. I am the person who used to look like, you know, कि मुझे destination, ये सारी चीज़ें बहुत मैटर करती थी. But today I am that person, मुझे destination देखने में बहुत मज़ा आता है, मैं journey enjoy करती ही नहीं थी. But being here, I know that what is time, how much it is important with my family, with my friends. And that's when I started value time. I always spend my time with my family. I make sure that my parents are around. My mother is here today. And yeah, I mean, I enjoy my journey and I hustle, I work hard. I believe in working hard, you know. I don't believe in destiny. Let me just be very clear. I feel कि मेरे हाथों की लकीरें मेरे हाथ में है, मुझे मेहनत करके ही कुछ करना है. So all the lesson, all the points is just this. Be the writer of your own destiny, be courageous enough, be bold and be ambitious. You should know what you want and you should go get it. There is no answer is no. There is no answer, okay? There is another yes after every no. So I'm here today and if one life इस crowd में से एक की भी जिंदगी इस speech से बदलती है, so it will be worth for me to stand here and to share my life journey. Thank you.